Welcome back. Yeah, turned the camera on, didn't expect it. Welcome back to Tiggerific House. So this is the vlog after the holiday. We're back in Blindsey. There's someone watching me from over there. Yep, always got Ralph in my eye line. What are you doing? Come here. So this is Ralph. He's grown a lot since probably the last vlog you've seen him in. And we're in the garage. A quick battery change because it just ran out. So as you might have seen just before that battery ran out, we're in the garage. It's a little bit of a war zone. Yeah, everything's in here from Christmas, even the dog, because we didn't get anything, all the dog blankets are there. So now we're gonna clear this out, make it back into a family room, and in the next few scenes you'll see us packing away all the Christmas stuff. It is, was it the 20th to 29th today, so we're a little bit early, but we want to get the house back to normality and get ready for the new year. So we'll catch you in a little bit. Right, so we're in the house. Zoe's in her full-on Monica mode. I'm going to take down all the stuff. We've got someone helping, haven't we? You happy to be home, mister? What are you saying? Oh, I'm a stretch. Right, we're going to start by decanting the Christmas tree. So this is how this works in this house. Ruben sits there and watches us and tells us what to do. Say, Roo. Say hi.
Hi.
Yeah. Ralph is just going to get in the way because this is his first time. And Operation Bauble. Right, time for the time lapse. Right, now comes the tricky bit I always get scared of. We've got to take the fire out. So I'm going to set you up, I think just here. I'm going to have my back to you, so yeah. This is where I worry. So this is one of our fireplace. It's like an electric fire, but it's got lights. And this is a big panel of glass. It's about 1600 long, and you have to do it with suction cups, a screwdriver, and hopefully not a Ralph, because he's right there. And knowing him, he'll want to get involved. Wish me luck. Come here, you. Come here. And there's my helper. So it's off. It goes back on the same way. Zoe's got to come back. She's gone to get Rosie. Rosie been to the groomers. So that's how you do this. At least that bit's over with. If you see me crying in the next scene, it's because I put this back on and it's smashed.
Christmas thing.